तर विद्यार्थ्यांनो, काल आपण इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन हे शिकलो आहोत. या ठिकाणी आज आपण फॅराडेज कन्क्लुजन्स ऑन हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट कॉइल मॅग्नेट एक्सपेरिमेंट यावरील फॅराडेचे कन्क्लुजन आणि फॅराडेने दोन लॉ स्टेट केले आहेत. दॅट लॉज आर फॅराडेज इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन हे दोन लॉ आपण शिकणार आहोत. तर तुम्ही एक काम करायचं आहे, व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करण्यास कदापि विसरू नका. तर आता आपण बघणार आहोत द कन्क्लुजन्स ऑफ फॅराडेज ऑन हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट. When a magnet approaches a closed circuit consisting of a coil, it produces a current in it. This current is known as induced current. What is the induced current? Whenever the changing magnetic flux linked with that coil, then current produced in that coil, that current is called as induced current. What is the induced current? तुम्हाला समजलं असेल. Induced current means what? Whenever the changing magnetic flux due to that the magnet linked with that coils, and that current produced in it, and this current is called as induced current. Second observation आहे, second conclusion. When magnet is taken away from the closed circuit, a current is again produced, but in the opposite direction with respect to that in experiment case first. जेव्हा आपण coil moving toward the coil, then current is produced in that coils. Now this magnet is moving away from that coils, then also current produced in that coil but in the opposite directions. Actually what happens there, when that coils are moving toward the magnet, or when that magnet moving toward the coils, then magnetic field lines or magnetic flux are increases, then current produced in it against that magnet is moving away from that coils, then the magnetic flux are decreases. या ठिकाणी magnetic flux decrease होतात जेव्हा आपण that magnetic bar are moving away from the coils, then decreasing magnetic flux. Due to this, current produced in that coil but in the opposite directions as first. Means जेव्हा आपण coil किंवा magnetic bar are moving to the coils, then current produced in the coils. Now this magnetic bar moving away from that coils, then current produced in it but in opposite directions. हे आपण ऑलरेडी शिकलेलो आहेत. सेकंड केसमध्ये आपण बघितलं आहे, magnetic bar is movable and coil is constant. Now magnet is constant and coil is the movable. If instead of magnet the coil is moving to the magnet or away from the magnet, then an induced current also produced in the coils. म्हणजेच आपण जर magnetic bar हा स्टेबल ठेवला असेल and coil are moving toward the magnet or away from the magnet, also there is the changing magnetic flux, and that flux are linked with that coil, and then there is the generation of the induced current in that coil. If the polarity of approaching or receding magnet is changed, then the direction of induced current in the coil also changes. म्हणजेच आपण जर S pole of that magnet moving toward the coils, then current produced in it. Now N pole of that magnet moving toward the coil, then the current produced in the coil but in opposite directions. म्हणजे आपण जर मॅग्नेटची पोलॅरिटी चेंज केली असेल, then the current are produced in that coil but in opposite direction. Now second one is the magnitude of induced current depends on number 1 the speed of the coil or magnet. Number 2, it also depends on the number of turns in that coils, means area of that coils. And also current, induced current is depend on the strong magnet. म्हणजेच आपण करंट can be increased by the speed of the magnet or coil against increase the area, nothing but increase the number of turns of coils and use strong magnet, that times the magnitude of the induced current are increases. The induced current exists so long as there is the relative motion between the coil and magnet. म्हणजेच आपण the current can be exist for long time when the motion of that magnet or coil is for long times. Now instead of magnet अ क्लोज सर्किट, जर आता या ठिकाणी आपण जर मॅग्नेट ऐवजी जर आपण कॉईल वापरला असेल अँड दॅट कॉइल्स आर कनेक्टेड टू द रेहोस्टॅट, बॅटरी अँड की इन सिरीज, वी नो दॅट when the current passing through that coil then magnetic field are produced around it. हे आपण वर्ग 11 मध्ये शिकलो आहेत. जेव्हा whenever the current passing through the coils then magnetic field are produced on it. तर या ठिकाणी मित्रांनो आपण मॅग्नेटिक बार ऐवजी कॉईल वापरतोय. असा कॉईल दॅट कॉइल्स आर कनेक्टेड इन सिरीज विथ रेहोस्टॅट, बॅटरी अँड की. Then when the key is closed, then current passing through that coils, then magnetic field are produced around that coils. Due to this magnetic flux are linked with the secondary coils. Coil number 2, coil number 1 मध्ये आपण magnet प्रोड्यूस केला आहे and this changing magnetic flux of that first coils are linked with the secondary coils, and that secondary coils are connected to the galvanometers. Then current produced in that the secondary coils and galvanometer gives the deflections. या ठिकाणी आपण जो प्रायमरी कॉईल यूज केला आहे त्या प्रायमरी कॉईलमध्ये मॅग्नेट आर प्रोड्यूस बट चेंजिंग मॅग्नेटिक फ्लक्स. देर आर 2 times change the magnetic flux by number 1 when the circuit is complete or broken. जेव्हा आपण when key is closed then changing flux, then current passing through that coils and magnet are produced. Then momentary deflection gives in the galvanometers. When the broken the circuit means we open the key, then flux also decrease, means changing flux. Then galvanometers gives the momentary deflections but in opposite directions. जेव्हा आपण सर्किट कंप्लीट केला आहे means key is the close, then magnetic flux are increases, and when the open the key then flux are decrease. In both case then changing flux, and that changing flux are linked with that the coils, and due to this the current is produced in that coil but in the opposite directions. When the circuit is closed in coil first, then current passing through this coil and magnet are produced around it. This coil first kept constant and coil secondary coils are moving toward the primary coil first, then also changing flux, and that flux linked with that the secondary coil second, then induced current are produced in that coil and galvanometer gives deflection. Or secondary coil kept constant and primary coils means coil first are moving to the coil second. Also there is the changing magnetic flux, and that flux are linked with the secondary coils and induced current produced in it, and then the galvanometer gives the deflection. Now last one, the current in the primary coil or coil first are changes by using the rheostat. By using that rheostat, the current in the primary coil can be changes, then changing magnetic field or magnetic flux. These magnetic flux are linked with the secondary coil, then the induced EMF are produced in the secondary coils and galvanometer gives the deflections. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी आपण शिकलो आहोत मॅग्नेट बार ऐवजी आपण कॉईल वापरलाय. दॅट कॉइल्स आर कनेक्टेड in series with the rheostat, battery and key, and then key is the closed, then current can be passed through that the circuit and then magnetic field are produced. हे आपल्याला ऑलरेडी माहीत आहे. तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला तीन प्रकारे द इंड्यूस्ड करंट कॅन बी प्रोड्यूस इन द सेकंडरी कॉइल्स. नंबर 1 ला नंबर 1 मध्ये व्हेन सर्किट इज क्लोज means key is closed, then induced EMF are produced in the secondary coils. Or circuit is broken means key is open, then also the induced EMF or current produced in the secondary coils but in opposite directions. Number 2 मध्ये first coils kept constant and second coils means secondary coils moving toward the first coils, then also there is the changing magnetic flux and induced current are produced in the secondary coils. And last ones, the current can be changes in the primary coils by using rheostat, then changing flux, that changing flux are linked with the secondary coils and induced current are produced in the secondary coils. तर या पुढील भाग आपण उद्या बघणार आहोत. उद्याच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये तो आहे फॅराडेज लॉ. नथिंग बट दॅट लॉ इज कॉल्ड ॲज फॅराडेज लॉ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन. ओके, गुड बाय. तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, लाईक करा आणि बेल आयकॉनला बटन दाबण्यास विसरू नका. ओके, थँक्यू, गुड बाय, सी ऑन टुमॉरो.